In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email important or urgent in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If you ever need your message to stand out in a crowded inbox, Outlook makes it easy to flag it as high importance. I'll walk you through it in the web version, and we'll verify that the tag is applied after sending. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Outlook, and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on a trusted network and use your usual sign-in method. Once you're in, head to Mail if you aren't there already. That's the section where you can read and compose messages. Click New Mail to start a fresh message. In the Compose window, look for the toolbar near the top. You'll see a red exclamation mark icon in the Tags area. Click that icon to mark the email as high importance. When it's on, Outlook highlights it so your recipient sees that it's urgent. In some layouts, the icon lives under the toolbar's overflow menu. Open the More Options menu to reveal it. If your window is narrow, try maximizing the browser so the tags tools appear. If you click the red exclamation again before sending, it will turn off in case you change your mind. Now add the To field by typing your recipient, and Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Pick the correct one. Enter a clear, specific subject line, something that summarizes the action or deadline, so the urgency is obvious even before the email is open. Then write your message in the body. Keep it concise, put the key request or deadline in the first sentence, and include any essential context the recipient needs to respond quickly. When everything looks good, press send. Outlook will dispatch the message with the high importance flag attached. To double check that the flag was applied, open your sent folder. Find the message you just sent and click it. In the message header, you'll see high importance along with the red exclamation mark, confirming that the tag is active. Depending on your view settings, you may also see a small red icon next to the subject in the message list, another quick confirmation of the priority tag. A quick tip: use high importance only when it truly matters. Overusing it can reduce its impact. Pair the tag with a clear subject and a direct first line, and you'll get better, faster responses. Practice this a couple of times so it becomes second nature the next time you're working against a deadline. That's it. You've marked an email as important in Outlook on the web and confirmed it after sending. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a refresher.